Hi, my name is Matt Greever and I'm a product application specialist here at Tinius Olsen. Beside me is our Evotech 7010, and we're going to cover some safety tips with this model. The first safety tip is your machine with an XY stage will automatically ship with a safety bracket installed on the back. You can see it here indicated by this orange safety tag. You always want to remove that bracket before initializing your software. When you initialize your software, the software will automatically try to initialize your stage. Your stage will start moving, and if that bracket is still attached, it will jam up your stage. Now that the safety bracket is removed, you can go ahead and start up your software. Safety tip number 2 is to always be sure that you are in focus. If you have a sample on your stage that you are focused on, please do not remove that sample and place a new sample on the stage without refocusing on it. If you try to run a test on a sample that the test head is not focused on, you will crash the test head into it and it will prompt an error message. The third safety tip is, while running a test, always keep your hands and fingers away from the test area. This is an automatic machine, so when you press start, the test head will descend to make contact with your sample. This machine does have collision control, so if it hits something it's not expecting, it will throw up an error message and you will have to restart the software. If at any point you do need to stop the test when you're running it, all of our machines come equipped with an emergency stop button on the front. If you need to stop the test, you simply press the emergency stop, at which point the emergency switch pressed error message will pop up on your screen. The only way to get this emergency switch error message to disappear is to disengage the e-stop, at which point it will prompt you for motor movement for your XY stage and your test head. This is due to the cut in communication from the boards to both the XY stage and the test head. So all you do is hit OK. Your software will shut down and you will have to restart your software. With the automation that this machine offers, we naturally get a lot of questions about this machine. First, the easiest way to focus on this machine is by clicking the autofocus button. There are a few different ways you can focus, and this plays along with how many ways you can move the test head. In your software here, you have directional keys that can move your test head up or down. On the front of the machine, you have arrow keys that will move your test head up or down as well. Next to these arrow keys, you actually have a pinwheel for fine adjustment. But in the end, the easiest way to focus is by clicking the autofocus button. Once I click this button, the turret will rotate to its laser touch probe, and the touch probe will actually travel down, touch your sample. It will know how far the sample is away from the objective. It will spin to the relative objective, and it will be focused. Now moving on to the XY stage. There are a few different ways you can move your XY stage. The easiest way is by using the directional keys in your software. If you click these arrow keys, your stage will move in accordance with what you're clicking. The second way to move it is by double-clicking on your screen. By doing this, your crosshair in the center of the screen will snap to wherever you double-click. The third way is if you click and hold, you will get continuous movement out of your XY stage, and you can move it slow, you can speed it up to whatever speed you need. When it comes to methods on these machines, this machine in particular has a load range of 200 grams all the way up to 250 kilograms. And the methods that it can provide are micro Vickers, Knoop, Brinell, and Rockwell. To view your methods, you click your Methods tab up here, and you can see all the methods this machine is capable of. Once you click a method, it will show you the exact scales that this machine is capable of. In this case, we see you can go down to 200 grams for Vickers, or you could go up to 250 kilograms for Brinell, and anything in between. For more questions on the Evotech 7010, please contact our help desk at Tinius Olsen.